sakaling manalo si Vice President Duterte as presidente at ikaw yung kanyang apple of her eyes, aren't you worried of a political and personal backlash on you from you?
Well, in what way? Matatalo? Paano?
We don't know. It can be physical threat. You know, the fact that she can threaten the president can only mean that she can even threaten a congressman.
Well, that is occupational hazard.
And you're prepared for that?
Prepare for that.
So,
Lahat naman yan, lahat naman yan, siyempre, hindi mo maalis na minsan, pag natutulog ka, naiisip mo yan, di ba?
so naiisip mo?
Ay, siyempre, lahat naman yan, naiisip natin, di ba? But, it's a question of magpapatakot ka ba o gagawin mo yung constitutional duty?
Well, externally, you appear not to be daunted by that possible consequence. No? So,
Externally.